Welcome back, guys. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys a holiday tutorial involving Christmas colors. Be fun for the holidays. So I'm going to go in and prep my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Honey, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply that and blend it out. Okay, so now I'm going to take the James palette and I'm going to go in with the color Your Kitty, and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. So just take the color and just pack it onto the lid until it gets a real dark red. Okay, and now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to dip into the color Rusted, and I'm going to take that and apply it on top of the red that I just applied, just to smooth out the harsh edges and just make it blend really well. And now I'm going to go back in with Your Kitty, and I'm going to apply that back just to deepen in the red and also of the outer corner of my eye as well. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush and just start cutting the crease. And a little trick that I like to do when I'm cutting the crease is apply some of the concealer below, and then I look, like, open your eye really wide and look up, and like right where it leaves a mark, that's where you know where to put the crease, if I'm saying that right. Okay, so now that I've cut the crease, I'm going to go back in with Your Kitty, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner and just deepen that red. And then we're going to go in with glitter next. So next I'm going to take the NYX Sugar Trip collection, and it has like 10 glitters that come inside of it, plus the glitter primer. And I'm going to take that glitter primer and apply it to the cut crease that we did, and then I'm going to apply the red glitter on top of that. And I'm sorry, I kept kicking my camera. I don't know, I was sitting on the floor in my room and my legs got tired of being crisscrossed, so every time I kept trying to move my leg, I kept hitting my camera. Okay, and I'm just going to take a makeup remover wipe and just wipe off all that glitter that fell underneath my eye. And then I'm going to take my brush again and go back in with your kitty and just go over the top of that just to make it look nice and neat and blend it out. Okay, so going back into the palette to do underneath the eyes, I'm going to take Daddy and Social Blade, starting with Daddy first. And I'm going to apply that underneath my eye. And I'm going to use Social Blade to blend it out. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Benefit Bang mascara and apply that to my lashes. I will be applying false lashes, but I'm going to be doing that off camera, so I'm just going to apply my mascara for now. I really love this mascara, so I just wanted to show you guys what new mascara that I'm using. Okay, so I have both eyes done. Now I'm going to take the Tarte eyeliner Sex Kitten and apply that in my waterline, and then I'm also going to apply the Benefit mascara on my bottom lashes as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'm going to be priming my face using the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm just going to apply that everywhere. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be leaving a list of the products that I use in the description box below. Also, my social media and following will be in the description box, so make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And I will see you guys later.